repost other users' videos on TikTok. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you're able to repost other users' videos on TikTok. But before I do, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so straight into it. To repost a video on TikTok, scroll through your feed until you find a video you would like to repost, or open a video from your likes or watch history that you'd like to repost. Then tap share on the right. In the menu that appears, tap repost. If you like, tap add a comment to put a comment with your repost. Let your friends know what you think about the video or why you reposted it. Once you repost someone's TikTok, it will appear in your followers' feeds showing that you reposted it. It will not appear on your profile like videos you've posted yourself. Also note, you cannot repost your own videos. If you want to undo reposting a video, tap the share button again on the video, and then tap on remove repost. And that's all it takes to repost other users' videos on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.